Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to become a C programmer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to become a C programmer. Becoming a C programmer requires dedication, practice, and a structured learning approach. Here are step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number 1. Understand the basics of programming. Familiarize yourself with fundamental programming concepts like variables, data types, control structure, loops, and conditionals, functions, and basic algorithms. This knowledge will serve as foundation for learning C. Number 2, learn C syntax. Start learning the syntax and structure of the C programming language. There are numerous online tutorials, interactive platforms, and books that can help you with this. Number 3, choose learning resources. Select good learning resources such as online tutorials, video courses, or books are some popular resources to learn C programming. Online tutorials in interactive platforms like Code Academy, Coursera, or EDS. Book C Programming Absolute Beginner's Guide by Perry and Miller. The C Programming Language by Kernighan and Ritchie, often referred as KNR. YouTube channels with C programming tutorials. Number 4, practice, practice, practice. The key to mastering any programming language is practice. Start with small coding exercises and gradually move on to the more complex projects as you gain confidence. Number 5, work on mini projects. Implement small projects to apply what you've learned. It could be a simple calculator, a text-based game, or anything that interests you. This will help you solidify your understanding and improve problem-solving skills. Number 6, understand memory management. C programming involves manual memory management using pointers. Make sure to understand how memory allocation and deallocation work in C. Number 7, read C code. Expose yourself to existing C code. Read open source projects or code snippets to understand how experienced programmers structure their code and solve problems. Number 8, get help from the C community. Join programming forums, Reddit communities, or Stack Overflow to ask questions and to learn from experienced C programmers. Number 9, practice debugging. Bugs and errors are a natural part of programming. Learn how to use debugging tools and techniques to identify and fix issues in your code. Number 10, learn standard libraries. Familiarize yourself with the standard C libraries. These libraries provide pre-built functions for various tasks like input-output, string manipulation, math operation, etc. 11. Explore advanced topics. Once you are comfortable with the basics, dive into more advanced C topics like data structures, file handling, dynamic memory allocation, and C preprocessor directives. 12. Contribute to open source. Consider contributing to open source C projects. It's a great way to collaborate with experienced programmers and improve your skills. Remember, becoming a proficient in C programming or any programming language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself and keep practicing regularly. With dedication and persistence, you will become a skilled C programmer. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to become a C programmer. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.